for section A of the amateur system. So we use a VDC of 5 volt, and then we run the simulation to produce the waveform of the simulation. And then after that, this is our waveform of DC current, IDC, DC voltage, and VDC of 5 volt. And then we click measure for the RMS value, and then we get the value for the DC current. Next, we use a VDC of 25 volt, and then we run the simulation. Before that, for this simulation, we use a 5 VDC. Is it 5, 10, and 15, 20, and 35? So for the next VDC, we just repeat the same step for the simulation, and then after that we run the simulation, and then we get the result. And then for the DC current value, we must repeat the step for the 10 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt to get all the result of the simulation to be put into the table. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Next, we will go for the section C. For the lab module 5, part 1, we got section C. For the section C, the module wants us to find IL and pH. This is the circuit when we create all the circuit. So we just run the simulation. So we will wait until it get the result. So when it go over like this, we must put the value. We must get IL, and add one more, we will put V phase. So the module want us to find a range. We must put 3.9, from 3.9 to 5. So we just screenshot this, and we can also measure to get the value RMS. This is when we run. Thank you. So for the next step, we must the same circuit. We just run the simulation, and we just change the range. So we put IL and VH like usual, and then the range from 3.9 earlier, we must put 4.5. So we get this, and we just screenshot this. This is the answer. Thank you. Assalamualaikum, my name is Tengku Muhammad Amin. This is our lab 5 part 1. This is only for section B. So for the section B, the module want us to find IF ampere and VPH volt. So the first one, we will get this circuit. So to run the simulation, the module want us to change the value of Vref about 10 difference value. So the first one, I will do 10. So we run the simulation. We will hit wait over here. So each one Vref different 10 value. So this is first. So it want the IF, and it want the VPH. So we will get this, and then we must pick this X to we put the range over here. So we put from 4 to 5. Okay, so we measure, and we just get the RMS. So this is the value. We read it over the RMS. So this is all for 10 VREF. So the next one is we can use any different value. So I will choose 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So the next time I will use 100. So I will choose over this and run the simulation. So we wait over here. The difference is we use the different VREF. So the step is only same. So we will just get the value. Thank you.